Hey guys, so we got two projects coming up for JTL MMP Drift RCs. We have a electric four-wheeler and we have a lawnmower. Okay, I know this isn't the type of lawnmower you'll probably make a go-kart out of, but we're gonna do with what we have. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the front off of here and I'm going to move the front end of this to over here. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna take some parts off of this and put it on, revisit this little small thing. We want to try and get it a little bit higher in the air, make it a little bit cooler, you know, just more content. All right, we got we got the seats out the way so we know what we're working with. I'm trying to figure out what to do now. It's gonna be, this is a drift build, so it's gonna be low. So right now I'm gonna work on flipping this upside down. So I'm gonna make this go to the bottom, but let's take this off and see what we're working with right here.
Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take the hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Do we slow, baby, yeah.
We're gonna take these floppy wheels off and then we're gonna put those wheels on, go from there. It just depends, because there's a chance that, I mean, just look at that, that's like damn near 90 degrees, you know. For drift spec, that's a lot of angle. I don't know how much angle this is. That's how much angle this thing got. That ain't enough angle. I do like the fact that this has springs, so we might be able to figure something out. Even I can weld on pieces of that onto here, make it strong enough, of course, because I kind of like that angle right there. This is where things get a little tricky. So, engine placement. We got two engines. We got this engine right here. And we got this engine right here. We got another one right here. That's a generator engine. And this one, general lawnmower. Horsepower, I gotta look it up. I gotta figure it out. We don't really need that much horsepower for what we're doing. If we're gonna go with plastic tires, if we're using rubber tires, we're gonna probably need a lot more horsepower, probably like a motorcycle engine. Oh yeah, actually, scratch that. We have 3 engines. This one's probably busted, but I had a video of this, so that still works too. So I got 3 engines. Alright, so as you've seen before, the frame was connected up here. It was kind of high. Now we have it low and on the ground. I just got to figure out how I'm going to connect it. We want to figure out where the engine is going to be. Is the engine going to be in the front or the back? I was going to have the engine in the back. Let's see how heavy this is. That's actually not really that heavy. That's about 50, 70, 80 pounds right there. That's 50 to 60 to 70, 80 pounds. Yeah, that's, oh, we're close to 100 right there. So 50, 90 pounds, say 95 pounds right there. I am 150 to 160 pounds, reaching 170. Yeah, I'm a skinny boy, but I'm working on it. Don't worry. I've been at 150 for like a couple of years. I put a little work in, you know what I'm saying? I put a little work in, you know what I'm saying? And add a little bit of, you know, muscle and stuff. You know, you see this? Yeah, now we 160, gained 10 pounds. A little bit more work, 180. A little bit more work, that 195 want to be the 200. We'll get there, we'll get there. But anyways, damn, got all talking. But anyways, let's see what we got. I don't know what to do. All right, so let's see. Here's what we got. We're cutting this up right now. We're going to weld this to this, weld this to here, and weld this around like that here. Try and do the same with the other side. And that's kinda how I'm thinking about doing this. It's not gonna be that structural, so what we're gonna do is add some mystery doggle. Mystery doggle. Mystery doggle. Okay. So what we're gonna do is gonna add lower bars to the bottom, and that should be the frame for now. The lower bars is gonna be probably from this material, from this. That was the beginning of the go-kart build, but you know, didn't really go with this frame, so I'm just gonna cut it. I'm kind of liking this right here. What I do, I cut it dead center right here, cut it right here, cut it right here, and we'll get that all connected together. That sounds like what we're gonna do. And then we're gonna weld it to this bad boy right here. That seems like what we're gonna do. Sounds like a plan.